Want to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. First of all, open the Messenger application on your device. Now let's restrict someone. Open up a conversation, tap on their username at the top. Scroll down and find the option of restrict, select that, then tap on restrict. Now this person will be restricted. Now to unrestrict that person, you want to tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap settings. Scroll down and select privacy and safety. Now under who can reach you section, you will find restricted accounts, select that. Here you will find the list of people you have restricted. Now select the name of the person. At the bottom, you will find the option of unrestrict. Go ahead and tap that. Once you tap it, this user will be successfully unrestricted. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.